So we woke up this morning and this is what we found. They are very alert and they're walking all over the place. Oh my heavens, they are so cute. They're chasing each other around. Oh my, barking and growling. Oops. Who's that? The little pink. Are you trying to get your, let's see, that's your brother. No, that's your sister. It's the white one. There's the pink and the white. Oh, where's Black at?
Right there, brother, trying to get up.
Oh, this is Black. Here's the little black guy. Green, all right, and then the sister just goes right over top of them. Which one is this one? Orange. Hi, sweet boy. Here's Gray. Did you come over? Hello. And then we have blue. Let's see. Here's light pink.
Oh, he came over to visit.
Yeah, he came over to visit, huh? And here's
Look at this one, Mom.
here's white right here.
Yeah, too good.
Which? Oh my goodness. Dark pink right there. Yeah, you guys are so active. My goodness.
I love you.
Oh my goodness, look at these two snuggling. Let's see, or which one is that one? It's red. Oh, it's red and gray. Oh, are you guys snuggling? So the red one's the little girl, and then there's the gray one and the blue one. Are they giving you kisses? Oh, this is so fun.
Zoe!
This is
It's
so
not enough temperature
fun.
on her. Spotlight's not on her.
Oh my goodness, I
Don't
can't.
bite.
I just can't even handle this right now.
What's
I
up?
can't. This is too cute.
That's what's scratching. Biting. She's scratching.
Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. You tell him, Big Blue.